Hey everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. I just wanted to go over a couple of the requirements for our first major assignment. If you take a look in week two's link, August 22nd, 27th through the 31st, there's lots of things listed there that kind of kick off the semester. A few videos to watch, some things to read, but also there is information about your first major assignment. And this one is an informative interview. And it is, I call it a networking interview because you're actually going to be interviewing someone who you admire, whose job you would like to have one day, just anyone that you really kind of admire or look up to in terms of their career, their communication, just something about them that appeals to you. And it's someone that you would like to maybe get to know. So this link here is just a description of the assignment. And this assignment here is where you will identify who you're going to interview. So if we take a look at the assignment, this is 100 points and it's required to receive a grade in this course. So this is one of those required assignments that you have to complete. So the best way to describe this is that you're going to interview someone whose job you would like to have, someone who's working in a career that you're interested in, someone that you admire for their leadership skills, communication skills, just someone you want to get to know. And there are 3 things that you will turn in relation to this: your interview agenda, the reflection, which is listed here, and then also a video or audio recording of the interview. So those are the things that you will turn in. I would prefer that you do this interview in person, but if there's absolutely no way to do that and interviewing over the telephone or interviewing virtually over the computer through Skype or something is the only way you can do it, then do that. I would rather you interview someone that you really want to talk to than just interview someone just because they're here. So we're going to be talking over the next couple of weeks about informative interviewing and questions and agendas, but I need you to start thinking about who you want to write about. So the reflection will cover 3 primary areas. How did you prepare for the interview? How did the interview take place? Talking about the actual interview. And then the reflection. So what did you learn from the process? And you'll be relating all of this back to the material that we'll be talking about over the next couple of weeks. So in preparation for this, next week, you need to identify the person that you want to interview. And all I really need to know at this time is who is the person, why you've chosen them, and what you hope to learn. So if you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to ask. Happy to help you out. And I hope you guys are getting ready for a great weekend. I will talk with you all later. Thank you.